Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on euro currency. So yes, the market still was able to continue upward action despite that was really strong enough level around intraday COP target and agreement resistance. So market has climbed a bit higher and keep up with the dollar index. So if you will take a look at the dollar index, this is the ABC pattern that we have talked about recently. It's currently triple to buy has been formed. So market mostly stands at the same area. So there was early reaction and then market has dropped back again to the 30% support, and market still stands here since then. While the euro currency was able to move slightly higher, and actually it has completed the same ABCD pattern. So that was the point where we have started our discussion yesterday. So indeed some pullbacks here has happened around this confidence resistance and the COP agreement weekly pivot point, but still market has climbed higher and right now stands at the OP. Currently guys, since this was the really strong area and market was able to break it up, it means that some hidden strength exists in the euro currency, at least in the short term and intraday charts. And despite that market is hitting the significant resistance areas, first there's confidence, right now it's OP, it means that currently we need to be more careful and keep an eye on the possible clear bearish reversal patterns that could be accompanied by the greater pattern. So here we have, for example, ABCD completion point OP, but we need also drop our time frame lower, say to the 50-minute chart, and watch for clear bearish reversal patterns here. Maybe it will be butterfly, maybe something else, but we need something that could give us more confidence that it's relatively safe trying to take the short position. Again, we try to use the significant resistance areas to protect our position and to get the ability to move stops to the break even at first chance, because as we talk every time about it, so when the market hits significant levels, it has more chances to show technical response, and we use this technical response to the level to protect our position, turn into the break even trade. That's the important feature and important point in our trading plan. So currently market hits the OP. Speaking on the daily chart guys, despite that retracement stands slightly higher, but in general it's nothing significant has happened yet. So market stands inside of this previous swing down, and to break the tendency on the daily chart, market has to climb above this top. So it should be somewhere 1420 approximately. Only in this case market will form higher top, because currently, as you can see, market stands in the lower highs and lower lows tendency, and then just bearish tendency. So to break it, market has to create the higher new higher top and break this tendency. So this will be the level that could be used as an indicator of the possible changing of the tendency on the daily. But currently, we do not have it yet. That's why here, as trend stands bearish, we're still watching for possible downward continuation. So currently this action will still trade as a retracement. So on the intraday charts, it seems that important level also will be with this top, because take a look that this is very significant sell-off that has happened on the market, and for retracement it is not really typical to erase such sort of the accelerations. So if market has some power, continue to move high and erase with the rising above this top, this sell-off, this will be bullish sign guys. It means that in the nearest future it's better to not try to go short. It just will be the sign of strength, and this is not very good for bearish tendency, not very good for bearish sentiment. So that's why at this point that we should keep an eye on today, especially if it will happen after the hitting of the OP. In this case, if market will climb above it, we also could add and see where the XLP stands. It will be here. So it could mean that market is coming to the 1350 area, and market could proceed higher to the XOP if this will happen. Market will take it out of the stop. Another reason why this area will be important, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, actually we have the Gartner's triple 2 in place, and take a look, the OP target stands precisely inside of this previous consolidation. The consolidations on the market has the feature, and it works as a rule as a barrier. So market, if let's say it's used the consolidations to prevent price moving in a next cluster of the price, let's call it in this manner. So here was the consolidation, and when the market hits the consolidation, it works like the barrier. If market breaks this consolidation higher, this is clear signs of the strength, and it means that market are coming in the next area where it could fluctuate relatively free. In our case, it will be area above this consolidation, an area between this area and the previous tops. So this new space will be open for the market. That's why today, particularly this level will be significant. So that being said, currently since market has broken significant resistance here, where market stands, and shows some strength, currently, despite that market hits the OP, we're watching for two things. First of all, possible patterns that could be formed here on lower time frames, on the hourly, on the 50-minute chart. Second, we're watching for this consolidation and see how market will respond to it. So whether it will start action with the Gartner's triple to sell, or it will break it. Any attempt of the breakout moving above the OP target will mean that sentiment is not bearish anymore, and it should hold us from taking any short position.